Good morning children, welcome to our channel. Okay, in the previous class we studied about vowels. Okay, now we will start, the letters, and now we will start vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. A and E we already learnt. Okay, in that one letter I is there. Now we are going to learn from words related to I. Okay, then we are calling the I sound words. In all letter I is there, no, that's why we are calling them I sound words. Okay, we can read aloud by using the letters. Okay, let's start. Come, look at the pictures and say aloud. Okay, the first one, T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, pin. Z-I-P, zip. F-I-G, fig. L-I-P-S, lips. Okay, for example, read aloud these words that have the I sound. Okay, first one, K-I-D, kid. H-I-D, hid. B-I-D, bid. L-I-D, lid. F-I-G, fig. D-I-G, dig. B-I-G, big. V-I-G, wig. P-I-N, pin. F-I-N, fin. B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, tin. L-I-P, lip. H-I-P, hip. S-I-P, sip. Z-I-P, zip. K-I-T, kit. H-I-T, hit. B-I-T, bit. P-I-T, pit. Okay, shall we read once again? Kid, fig, pin, lip, kit, hid, dig, fin, hip, hit, bid, big, bin, sip, bit, lid, wig, tin, zip, fit. Okay, read aloud and you have to practice the spellings in a 4-line book. Okay, bye bye.